What's up, everybody? Good morning. I'm excited for today's look. I'm excited for you guys to see it. I hope it goes well. We'll see how it goes. Had an awesome Mother's Day with my mom. I hope you guys... Okay, I'm done. Gonna switch up the order a little bit today, and first I'm gonna go in with my concealer. Go to Mineral Touch Skin Perfecting Concealer from Unique. It looks like I have a really awful sunburn right now. You sort of have to be careful not to use too much because as you can see from just that little drop, it covered my entire face basically. Now for the foundation, I'm gonna go in with the Unique Touch Spray Foundation. It's super fun to use and it has good coverage. I'm going to use Unique Mineral Touch Pressed Powder. Mossy bronzer. I'm gonna quickly take you through my brow routine. Looking honey. Gimme brow. For our pack today, we're going to be using a mixture of these two shadow palettes. So this first one, we're going to be using the very pigmented black here. Our peppy black shade. And then for the other colors, we'll be using pink and purple. We're gonna go in with this white and we're gonna add some Galaxy Box.
Hey Common, it's me. I've been thinking about you lately. I missed you. Call me back.
Time for the crease. We're gonna fill the crease from green in the inside all the way to white on the outside. We're gonna draw in some stars using Unique Mood Struck Dip and Draw eyeliner. I love these eyeliners because they have a very sharp tip, so it makes it easy for makeup artists that want to do fun designs. Okay, so we have to go in and fill all these stars with that green. So the best way to do this, I think, is just with a little bit of water, not too much, because we don't want that watercolor effect. We don't want it to bleed. Practice a couple times on your hands. You know, if you're ever
actually going to try doing this makeup look.
So I got a really skinny brush, just dipping in a little bit of water, and I'm completely coating it with that green shadow. I'm gonna let that sit, do the other side, and then I'm gonna come back and maybe do a little bit of outlining. Alright, because I bought this entire set of glitter and have yet to use them in an actual look, so I'm gonna do that today. Got this cool green glitter that I'm gonna use, and just because I don't want it to affect the shadow, I'm not at that level yet, I'm just gonna put it on the inside right here, and I'm actually might mess around and put a little on the brow. Limited edition beachfront kiss, but it is so awesome, this highlighter. I can't wait till they come out with a new one. Finally, last but not least, I'm going in with this Splash matte lipstick by Unique.